Welcome to the M300 RTK tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to use UAV Health Management System, UHMS. Connect the remote controller with the aircraft. Launch DJI Pilot app. Tap the UHMS icon. The main screen shows the health status of the aircraft's different modules. When the system module is in normal state, a green normal sign will be shown. When the system module is in abnormal state, according to the severity level, a red warning sign, orange caution, and yellow notice sign shall be shown correspondingly. Tap corresponding module to check the errors and solutions. Tap Flight Data to view the aircraft information, battery information, and maintenance instructions. Tap Firmware Update. The app will automatically check the firmware information. If there is a new firmware, an updating prompt will appear in the app. Click Update to update the latest firmware. Tap Manage Logs to view all aircraft logs. You can upload the flight logs or save them locally. Tap Error Records to view all historical error data of the aircraft's different modules. The error records can be screened according to time and module, convenient for quick search. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.